In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to delete a Google account and create a new one. Start by opening Google on your mobile phone and tapping on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once the menu opens, select Google Account. From here, navigate to the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you find the option that says Delete your Google account and tap on it. To proceed, you'll need to verify your identity by entering your Google account password or your phone's PIN. After verifying, you'll be taken to a page that explains what will be deleted along with your account. If you want to keep a copy of your data, there's an option to download it before deleting your account. Otherwise, scroll down and check the boxes to confirm that you understand the consequences. Tap Delete Account, and your Google account will be permanently deleted along with all associated data. Now, to create a new Google account, open Google again and search for Create Google Account. Click on the link that takes you to accounts.google.com and tap Yes, Continue. If other Google accounts are already logged in on your device, select Add Account to Device. Then tap on Create Account and choose whether it's for personal or business use. Enter your first and last name, then tap Next. Provide your birth date and gender, then tap Next again. Google will suggest some email addresses for you, or you can choose to create a custom one. Once you've decided, set a secure password and tap Next. Continue following the prompts, accept the terms, and your new Google account will be ready for use.